Good day everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube account without the usage of the phone number. If you didn't know, YouTube has had some change in their policy recently that makes it so that you need to use your phone number to register a Google account. So I'm going to show you how to bypass that and not use the phone. So I'm going to just show you how you usually make a Google account and why it doesn't work without the phone number. Try to create one. Now the date. Password. Okay, as you can see now it asks for the phone number and there's no way to bypass this. There's no button to skip on this spot over here, somewhere around this, and there's nothing to skip. From here I'm just going to close all of this. Just make sure that you have your phone ready. So I'm going to turn on my phone so that you see it on the screen. Okay, and now from here you need to press on the U tab right here on the bottom right. Click here. From here you need to click on switch account, and here you need to press a plus icon. Okay, and from here create an account. Press this button for my personal use or for the business, depending on who you are. All right, your name, second name, dates. From here choose the kind of email name that you want. All right, now input the password. So let me input my password. Next. So privacy and terms, scroll down, then press on I agree. Okay, and from now basically this account is added to your phone and you can now use it in your Windows PC or anywhere else. This is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.